Why use pedestals to create a rooftop patio? The Skyjack adjustable pedestal system makes building a rooftop patio fast, simple, and economical. 1. Simplicity, speed, and ease of installation. There is no faster or better way to install a rooftop patio than using the Skyjack pedestal system. 2. Aesthetics. The Skyjack pedestal system accommodates the installation of virtually any architectural patio design, including concrete and slate pavers of various dimensions and colors, wood or porcelain tiles, standard joists with wood or plastic composite deck boards, etc. 3. Leveling. Today's roofs are required by code to be sloped to some degree. Skyjack pedestals adjust to create a perfectly level patio on top of roofs with up to a 7% slope. 4. Waterproof integrity. Maintaining the waterproof integrity of the roofing system is paramount. Skyjack pedestals rest on top of the roofing system without penetrating it, protecting its all-important waterproof integrity. 5. Proper drainage. Rooftop patios and the roofs beneath them have to drain water freely. Skyjack pedestals elevate the pavers or decking off of the roof's surface and create uniform spacing between them to allow water to drain through the patio and then flow unimpeded on the roof beneath to the drains. 6. Damage to the roofing system. Today's roofing systems are easily damaged by cuts, punctures, and abrasion. Skyjack pedestals are smooth and are made to be placed on top of the roofing system, preventing the damage that would be caused by installing sharp or abrasive concrete or wood materials directly onto the roof. 7. Roof warranties. Today's roof installations are backed by long-term manufacturer's warranties. The Skyjack pedestal system is designed with these manufacturer's warranties in mind and can be installed to accommodate the specific warranty requirements of virtually any roofing system. 8. Service and repair. All roofs require service and inspection. The Skyjack pedestal system allows the pavers or decking to be quickly and easily removed to access the roofing system for inspection, service, and leak repair. 9. Increased life expectancy. UV rays, rooftop traffic, hail and wind cause damage, aging, and wear to a roof. The Skyjack pedestal system helps to protect the roof from degradation and damage and can double the life expectancy of the roof beneath. Send your project details to info@skydeckusa.com or visit our website at skydeckusa.com. We look forward to working with you.